Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. I hope everybody's okay wherever you are in your part of this beautiful world. Magre-record lang ako guys kasi hindi ako makatulog, di ba? I don't know if you've watched my other videos na nocturnal po ako. Hindi po ako natutulog pag gabi. Umaga lang. But I hope you guys are doing okay and enjoy my video for today. Guys, gawa lang ako ng video kasi as some of you have already known, we lost our cats na parang babies namin and we are really currently are feeling down and depressed. So, yun, binibisi namin yung mga sarili namin para lang, when we arrive home, pagod na kami, diretso na kaming tulog. And by God's grace, we really need God's grace na, tinutulungan naman niya kami. But, the pain is real. The pain is real. Pusa nga lang yung nawala sa amin na although, we treat them like our kids, how much more yung ibang tao na nawalan talaga ng membro ng family. So, yun. Let's be kind to one another. Thank you and please watch again my video. Pinaghirapan ko po ito. Thank you. God bless. Mwah. Guys, 3 times ko na itong record na introduction na ito and pag hindi pa rin nagagana yung cellphone ko guys, iiyak na talaga ako. Imagine, nag-intro ako ng almost 30 minutes kanina. 2 beses guys, hindi pa rin na-record. Kaya please, panoorin nyo, pinaghirapan ko talaga, effort ko talaga ito guys. Please, pang watch hour lang ba? Maawa kayo guys, please watch, okay? And watch till the end, I would really appreciate it. So, thank you so much. At puputulin ko na, baka ako yung putulin ng cellphone ko. So, thank you and watch again. God bless. This is your friendly Filipina Carpintera pala from the USA na talking to you. And for those who just tuned in, salamat po. Please like and subscribe at saka mag-leave ng comment para mag-subscribe ko din kayo. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, ito po by God's grace natanggap po yung offer namin sa lupa na gusto naming bilhin. Kaya ito, gumagawa po ako ng earnest money. Ito po yung earnest money ay parang down payment na telling parang assurance ng nagbebenta na hindi ka that you are really serious on your desire to buy the property, kaya kailangan mong mag-deposit at saka non-refundable yung deposit na yan. So, yan. I'm signing my life away. So, after nito ay idadrop po namin ito sa real estate office ng agent namin. But before that, pumunta muna kami sa kapatid ko para ipakita namin sa kanila yung property na plano naming tutukuran, or ano ba yung tutukuran sa Tagalog? Like, the property that we're planning to build a house. So, yan, sinundo namin siya at saka yung anak niya, and actually, hindi naman siya masyadong malayo. Nasa 25 minutes lang away from where we are now yung kapatid ko. Kaya I really want them to enjoy also the place para makita nila kung bakit namin na-love yung property na yun. Tapos sinasabi namin na magbibuild kami ng bahay doon at saka no need to worry kasi 30 minutes lang away from our place, tapos 45 minutes away from theirs, kaya hindi lisod or hindi mahirap yung possibility na bibisita sila. So andito na po kami. So, ito po yung first stop namin. I'm sure I've shown this in my previous videos. So, dinala namin yung pamangkin ko at yung kapatid ko dyan. At, nakakatuwa talaga yung mga and us nila. Wow, ang ganda, And it's really beautiful here. So, yun, tingnan nyo yung sun guys. malapit na siyang mag-sunset. But it's really peaceful here. And sabi ng kapatid ko, ang ganda-ganda talaga. Like, it's really very serene na you can stay here until the sunset na walang gagambala sa iyo. Napakaganda talaga na neighborhood. Alright, yang bahay na yan, favorite ng hubby ko. Okay, this one is actually, ito pumunta kami sa bahay ng kaibigan kong Filipina din. Ito yung sa main floor, yung bahay nila. Um, nasa, the same neighborhood. Tapos, ang ganda talaga ng view ng bahay nila, guys. Kasi, may waterfront sila. So, sabi ko sana, God willing na excited kaming dalawa talaga na magkakapit bahay na makabuild kami ng bahay doon para magkakapit bahay kami. Tapos, ang bait ng asawa niya. Sabi niya, if you want to fish, gusto niyo punta lang kayo dyan sa backyard. Kami nakahuli kami ng 15 na isda na malalaki. Tapos, hindi naman niya kinain kasi Amerikano hindi masyadong kumain ng isda. But, ang ganda talaga ng place nila, guys. So, ito kami ngayon, yung sister ko ay, before we went home, trinit niya kami sa Korean restaurant. Tapos, guys, nahihirapan talaga. Itong mga Koreang ito, gusto siguro nila na magda-diet ako. Tingnan nyo, hindi man lang ako binigyan ng kutsara. Tingnan nyo, wala talaga akong makain dyan. Paano mo naman gagamitin yung chopstick na hindi nga makuha yung bihon na sabaw? Paano ko iinumin yung sabaw na yan? Tingnan nyo, ha? Kaya, oh my gosh, nag-request na lang ako, guys, ng ng plato. At first, tingnan nyo, I used my oh my gosh, yeah. It came to us and my soup was boiling. So, yan yung kapatid ko at saka yung anak niya. Tapos, yung anak niya, teenager, of course, parang uneasy na makita sa video. Sabi niya, Auntie Marilyn, huwag mo akong i-post sa video. Tapos sabi ko, I'm sorry, but I can't, you know, I can't help it. Kailangan ko kayong i-post because I'm proud of you. But anyway, itong dinner na ito, guys, ay treat ng asawa ko. So, yan, yung sa asawa ko is beef, yung sa sister ko din ay beef, yung sa akin beef din na tinola. So, yun. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yeah, kumakain na ako dito, guys. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano gagamitin yung chopstick. So, yun. Nagkutsara na po ako kasi hindi ko po talaga nagugutom na po talaga ako. Tapos hindi naman kami binigyan ng plato. Kaya yun na lang takip ng rice yung ginamit ko.
That's the galbi tang. Yours is mandukuk. Okay, yeah. Yep.
And then I want to order the fried banana.
All right.
You have to go.
After. Okay, gotcha. To go.
Ashanti legs.
What do you have there? No, it's not picture. It's a video. No, I don't know if I
Ashanti
like
legs
this
fried
one.
banana.
You don't know what? Huh?
I don't know if I like mine.
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaliit. Gusto talaga nila, guys, na mag-diet ako. But sorry for them, inubos ko talaga yung kanin kasi gutom na talaga ako. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaliit yung plato ko. Ito talagang mga Koreanong ito. But anyway, I had a good time eating and we went home filled and thanking God na naubos yung yung kanin. But guys,
I like it.
How is it?
I just need some forks.
Is
What's
that
in there?
ketchup?
Can I have
No.
one?
This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's dumpling.
Yeah. Can I have one?
Alrighty.
Oh, thank
You
you.
guys enjoy?
Thank
Thank
you.
you very
we
much.
need forks. Sorry.
Oh,
sorry.
you need
Yeah,
more?
four.
Two more? Three more?
Forks. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh, I didn't know you were already chopped off.
Sorry.
Okay,
You got
three
a couple-
more?
No, I'm fine. I don't need a fork.
I need
Okay,
four.
gotcha.
Thank you,
Can I
sorry.
put some of that in?
Yeah.
Thank
Got
you.
it.
You're
Thank
so
you.
nice.
I would feel bad.
Yeah, I like it.
How would I eat this one? So ito na nga guys, ang hirap pala pupunta tayo sa Korea. Pasmo tayo guys. Alam niyo ba yung pasmo? Makakain nga ng dessert. Ay, dessert!